question. If someone was to ask,
Let's
why do you scatter your money
let's
around?
let's start in the business.
Mm.
How do I scatter money in the business? Ne. Now you've got your account. Ne. In which
Main
imali
account.
yakho ingena khona. If i-student isibhadalile imali yakho irola khona, then you've got your investment. Now remember one thing, your investment will be in two forms now. Did you know that? Yes. The first one, it's money that you have invested with the First National Bank. Sorry guys to use your name. As an example, ne izoba lapho. Money, the physical money.
Yes.
Then the other money is your investment. Izinto onazo physically.
Or assets.
Your assets mean a lot business because yiyo carry i-value enkulu than into esebhenki. Now that's why abantu angeke bakubize nge-millionaire because of i-truck lakho nekhumbi yakho nebhasi lakho, but in a real sense you are a millionaire.